I have an old video, I just remade the audio since it was in a different language. I have a Pentium tray computer with a docking station for the parallel port, a power supply, 19 volt power supply, and I have a big stepping motor, and I have a driver for the motor. It's just 4 transistor and 4 optoisolator to protect the computer, and a power resistor to reduce the current to the motor. And the motor has 4 coils and 8 wires, so you have access to all coils, so you could use it in any configuration you want. It has 200 steps for complete rotation, so 1.8 degree per rotation. I have wrote a small program in Turbo C. It's very simple, just using the parallel port to supply current to each coil individually. I can say how many steps it should make and what is the delay between each step, and also which direction it should rotate, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Like now it will rotate anti-clockwise. It will make one rotation, one complete rotation. So it took about 10 seconds to do this because it was 200 steps in with 50 milliseconds for each step. I will change the direction of the rotation. Now it's clockwise, and of course it's the same 50 milliseconds, so it will take 10 seconds again. And I can reduce this time to 5 milliseconds. And you see now it takes only about 1 second to make a complete rotation. And I can say to make only half of the rotation, so 100 steps. Now it will make 2 complete rotation, so 400 steps. The fastest it can go without losing any steps, it's about 3 milliseconds. As you can see, it works fine. And I can try with 2 milliseconds, but it will lose some steps. I found the board that I was using, so I made a close-up video of this board. It's just, like I said, 4 optoisolator to protect the computer, because the computer parallel port is probably not isolated, I'm not sure. And I used 4 transistor to drive the coils for the motor. And also I used 4 diodes to protect from reverse currents. And yeah, I don't think I can say much more about this. You'll probably want to use a real driver if you want to use a stepper motor and not something like this. But I just wanted to see how the stepper motor is working, and I just did this board, so it will probably not be useful for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I will try to answer.